These bandanas make it hurt.
It's always recommended to secure your Android device to prevent unauthorized access. One way to enhance privacy is by setting up a screen lock on your smartphone. All Android devices have a built-in security system that enable you to lock your screen using a password, PIN, fingerprint, or pattern. However, if you find yourself unable to enter the correct passcode or PIN multiple times or have forgotten your password, you may need alternative methods to unlock or remove the PIN from your phone. This is where an effective tool called PassFab Android Unlock comes into play. This tool can effortlessly remove your screen lock and even bypass the Google account lock, also known as FRP lock. And in this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of unlocking your Android device using this tool. Now, if you have accidentally forgotten your phone's password or pattern and are unsure how to manually reset your phone, this is a helpful tool that can walk you through the process of unlocking your Android smartphone with just a few clicks. To get started, first you will need to download the tool, and I'll provide a link in the description down below for your convenience. Once the tool is downloaded, open the application and you will be presented with two options: remove a screen lock and remove Google lock. Now first delve into how to remove the screen lock from any Android device by selecting the first option. Now first you have to connect your phone to your PC using a data cable. After your device is successfully connected, click on remove a screen lock. It is crucial to keep in mind that executing this procedure will lead to deletion of your data. Therefore, take a moment and weigh the factor carefully before moving forward. Now, one of the best things about this tool is that it supports a wide range of devices, both new and old devices, from major OEMs like Samsung, Xiaomi, Huawei, OnePlus, and more. Now, from this screen, you have to select your device OEM. In my case, I'm using a Xiaomi device, so I'll select Xiaomi. From here, click on Start option and the tool will provide you a step-by-step guide on how to enter recovery mode, specific to your phone model through screenshots. Now this process is crucial for resolving issues or unlocking your Android device. Now simply follow the on-screen instruction to guide your Android phone into recovery mode. That usually involves pressing and holding power and volume keys combination that differs according to your device model. This mode is essential for performing various system level tasks and troubleshooting. And once you have successfully followed the instruction, you will come to know that you have successfully unlocked your Android device. It's as simple as that. Now let's consider a scenario where you find yourself stuck at the Google verification screen, unable to recall the password. In such cases, this tool proves incredibly handy. With just a few clicks, it can bypass the FRP, that is Factory Reset Protection lock. This feature not only saves time but also simplifies the process of unlocking your Android phone when faced with Google verification challenges. At last, if we talk about the pricing details of Altphone Android Unlock, if you opt for a single user license, the monthly cost stands at $24.95, providing the capability to unlock up to 5 devices within that time frame. Alternatively, you can explore the option of $39.95 one-year license or a $49.95 lifetime license, offering users flexibility in choosing the subscription plan that aligns with their preferences and needs. Now, despite the availability of various methods to unlock an Android phone, PassFab Android Unlock stands out as one of the best Android lock screen removal tool. With this tool, you can unlock your phone within minutes, even if you are not a tech-savvy guy. Additionally, it is compatible with all major Android devices, ensuring versatility and boasts an easy-to-navigate interface for a smoother unlocking experience. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you have found this video useful, and for more future videos like this, do consider subscribing and hit that bell icon so that you never miss any future videos from Extreme Droid.